Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. This week I am going to start grouting this crane mosaic for my mother-in-law. I'm going to start with the crane and then I will do the background last. Swinging over this way. My classes start this week in just a few days, in fact, and this is sort of the layout I have with my textured tiles that I made. I hadn't decided if I was going to grout it with a colored grout or if I wanted to color the thin set and then not grout it. But I sort of need to decide that, and then I will start moving it over and the background will be done last. This part around the circle will be done last. And last of all, I would like to finish this piece off by grouting it, painting the edges, wiring it, and getting it all framed and finished. I'm getting ready to grout this piece and I'm going to start with the crane. So I have mixed two different colors of grout, and right now I am waiting about 5 to 10 minutes for them to slake. Then I'll give them a stir and I will be able to grout. I'm only going to put a little bit of white grout on, the rest will be gray because I think the gray will delineate these feathers better than the white will. That's it. Getting around to grouting the background on here. I've kind of been dreading it because it is so super bumpy, but I wanted to say that I'm going to be using 3 different colors. I'm going to work from light and then a little bit darker, and then down at the bottom more of a grassy brown color at the bottom to get started. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.